Good day, everyone. Here's our member, Sakulolo Nathaniel, Latupan Gamaliel, Limin John Kenneth, Corazes John Kim, and Bunyales John Paul. So our title is Categories of Business or Manufacturing Technology. Technology has transformed how businesses operate and manufacture products. Understanding the different categories helps organizations select the right tools to improve efficiency, reduce cost, and stay competitive in today's digital economy. Production technology. Production technology encompasses the tools and systems used to create products efficiently and consistently. Here's the key components. Computer-aided design (CAD) software allows engineers to create detailed 3D models and technical drawings digitally, reducing design time and errors. Computer-aided manufacturing (CAM) systems translate designs into instructions for automated machinery, ensuring precision in production. Computer numerical control (CNC) execute complex cutting, drilling, and shaping operations with minimal human intervention. 3D printing and additive manufacturing enable rapid prototyping and production of complex geometries that traditional methods cannot achieve. Benefits: this technology increase production speed, improve product quality, reduce waste, and allow for mass customization. Next is automation and robotics. Industrial robots handle tasks like welding, painting, assembly, and material handling, and high precision and speed. Automated assembly lines coordinate multiple machines to produce products in sequential steps without human intervention. Robotics process automation (RPA) uses software bots to automate repetitive digital tasks like data entry, invoice processing, and reports generation. Collaborative robots, cobots, work alongside human workers safely, combining human judgment with robotic precision. Benefits: automation reduces labor cost, increases productivity, improves workplace safely by handling dangerous tasks, and ensures consistent quality. Next is information technology, IT systems. IT systems manage data, facilitate communications, and support decision-making across the organization. Enterprise resource planning (ERP) integrate all business processes including finance, HR, supply chain, and manufacturing into one unified platform. Customer relationship management (CRM) software tracks customer interactions, sales pipelines, and marketing campaigns to improve customer satisfaction. Management Information System (MIS) collect and analyze data to generate reports that helps managers make informed decisions. Cloud computing provides scalable storage and processing power accessible from everywhere, reducing infrastructure's cost. IT systems improve data accuracy, enable real-time decision-making, enhance collaboration, and provide insights through analytics. Next is supply chain and logistic technology. This technology optimizes the flow of materials, products, and information from supplies to customers. Warehouse Management System (WMS) track inventory locations, optimize picking routes, and manage stock level automatically. Transportation Management System plan optimal shipping routes, selling carries, and track deliveries in real time. Radio frequency identification tags enable automatic tracking of products throughout the supply chain without manual scanning. Internet of Things sensors monitor temperature, humidity, location, and condition of goods during transit. The benefits of this technology reduce inventory cost, improve delivery accuracy, increase visibility across the supply chain, and respond quickly to disruptions. So let's hear more from Nathaniel Saclolo about quality control and inspection technology.
Good afternoon, everyone. I will be reporting about quality control and inspection technology. Quality technology ensures products meet specifications and customer expectations consistently. Key components will be automated inspection systems, use cameras and sensors to detect defects faster and more accurately than human inspectors. Second, statistical process control or SPC. Software monitors production data in real time to identify trends before defects occur. Third, coordinate measuring machines or CMM precisely measure physical dimensions to verify parts meet design specifications. Last one will be non-destructive testing. Equipment examines internal structure and integrity without damaging products. The benefits of it will be these technologies reduce defects rates, minimize waste, ensure compliance with standards, and lastly, protect brand reputation. Next, please. Communication and collaboration technology. Modern businesses rely on technology to facilitate communication within teams and with external stakeholders. Key components. Video conferencing platforms enable face-to-face meetings across global locations, reducing travel costs and time. Project management software tracks tasks, deadlines, and resources while facilitating team collaboration. Instant messaging and collaboration platforms allow real-time communication and file sharing among team members. Virtual and augmented reality tools enable remote training, product demonstrations, and collaborative designs. Review. These technologies break down geographical barriers, improve team coordination, accelerate decision making, and support remote work. Advantages of business or manufacturing technology. Number one, increased productivity and efficiency. Technology automates repetitive tasks and streamline processes, allowing businesses to produce more in less time. Automated systems can operate continuously without breaks, significantly boosting output compared to manual operations. 2. Improved quality and consistency. Automated systems and quality control technologies reduce human error and ensure products meet specifications consistently. This leads to fewer defects, less waste, and higher customer satisfaction. 3. Cost reduction. While initial investment may be high, technology reduces long-term operational costs through decreased labor expenses, reduced waste, lower energy consumption, and minimized error that would require costly corrections. 4. Better decision making. Data analytics and information systems provide real-time insights and accurate reports, enabling managers to make informed decisions quickly based on actual performance data rather than intuition. Last one will be enhanced competitiveness. Companies that adopt modern technology can respond faster to market changes, innovate more quickly, and offer better products or services than competitors using outdated methods. Next is disadvantages of business or manufacturing technology. One is high initial investment cost. Implementing new technology requires significant capital for purchasing equipment, software licenses, infrastructure upgrades, and system integration. Small business may struggle to afford these upfront costs. Number two will be job displacement. Automation and robotics replace many manual labor positions, leading to unemployment for workers whose skills become obsolete. This creates social and economical challenges as displaced workers need retraining for new roles. 3. Technology dependence. Over-reliance on technology means that system failures, power outages, or cyber attacks can completely halt operations. Businesses may lose the ability to function manually if technology fails. Number 4, cybersecurity risk. Connected systems and digital data are vulnerable to hacking, data breaches, ransomware attacks, and industrial espionage. Security breaches can result in financial losses, stolen intellectual property, and damaged reputation. Last one will be rapid obsolescence. Technology evolves quickly, meaning systems can become outdated within a few years. Companies must continuously invest in upgrades and replacement to stay current, creating ongoing expenses. Factors to consider when selecting technology. Organizations must evaluate several factors before investing in business or manufacturing technology to ensure successful implementation and return on investment. Business needs assessment. Companies should identify specific problems or inefficiencies that technologies will address. Understanding current pain points helps in selecting solutions that deliver real value rather than adopting technology for its own sake. Budget and financial resources. Organizations must consider not only initial purchase cost but also installation, training, maintenance, and upgrade expenses. A realistic cost benefit analysis helps determine if the investment is financially viable. Scalability requirement. Technology should accommodate future growth and changing business needs. Systems that are difficult to scale may require costly replacement as the company expands. Integration capabilities. New technology must work seamlessly with existing systems and processes. Compatibility issues can lead to data silos, inefficiencies, and additional integration costs. Vendor reputation and support. Choosing reliable vendors who provide strong technical support, regular updates, and training ensures long-term success. Poor vendor support can leave companies stranded with unusable systems. Employee readiness and skills. The workforce's technical capabilities and willingness to adopt new systems significantly impact implementation success. Companies may need to invest in training program or hire new talent. Last one is industry standards and compliance. Technology must meet industry regulations, safety standards, and quality certifications relevant to the business sector to avoid legal issues and ensure market acceptance. Implementation strategies and best practices. Successful technology adaptation require careful planning and execution to minimize disruptions and maximize benefits. Phased implementation approach, rolling out technology in stage rather than all at once allows organizations to identify and fix problems early, training programs gradually, and adjust strategies based on initial results. Pilot testing. Testing new technology in a limited area or department before full deployment helps identify issues, gather user feedback, and refine processes without risking entire operations. Change management. Addressing employee concerns, communicating benefits clearly, involving stakeholders in decision making, and providing adequate support helps reduce resistance and increase adaptation rates. Comprehensive training program. Investing in thorough training ensures employees understand how to use new systems effectively. Ongoing training helps staff stay current as technology evolves. Data migration planning. Carefully planning how to transfer existing data to new system prevents data loss, maintains data integrity, and ensures business continuity during transitions. Performance metrics and monitoring. Establishing clear key performance indicators or KPIs before implementation allows organizations to measure success, identify areas for improvement, and lastly, demonstrate return on investment. That will be all. And I am with Bunyales John Paul together with our members, Gamaliel Latupan, Kim Coraza, and Kenneth Limin. Thank you for listening.